Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어.
Why is it loads?
Yeah, there's loads of cards. You have to take care of those cards. Wow! Wow! Sit down na mong bata, bye! Sit down si Jack Jack, bye!
We're the last people standing, still
Hello.
dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite.
So, kakain muna kami kay gutom daw ang mga tambukiko. Saan kami ng city, kulangin lang yung 100 pound ko eh. Sapatos pa lang nila 16 na tapos 60, 70, 80. Okay lang oy. Minsan-minsan lang naman. Okay. She like to be video. Yeah.
I don't want to wait.
Why? We need to pay for this one. It's not free.
We got this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. When it's complicated,
What are you doing?
when there's a problem, you become like me. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help?
Big, I know what's a big.
I don't know na.
Zero.
Dito
He's
kami.
smiling.
Smiling ka? Dito kami tatlo nagsiksikan. Si Jack. Where's your other glove? You? It's hard enough. Can you kiss him later? I don't know where to sit. Ang bangko dito.
We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. Cause you make me feel like a part.
Tawag ka?
You let me from me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to.
Hi! Lock it na. Who opened it?
I don't know. How do I lock it?
Hmm?
Is this locked?
I don't know. Is it locked now? Push it. No. Nakadidi na si Jack ng konti. Gusto ko magkain ng mangga na mayroong anong tawag nun? May tuyo at saka silver swan. Tuyo at silver swan. Maglalakad kami. Maghanap ako nung mangga na maasim. He's preaching about God. What's the time?
No, 9. No, 10.
1. Still 1 o'clock. Come here. We go inside here. Maghanap kami ng prutas dito. Oh no. Our pram will be in the way.
I look in the mirror. Who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be.
Look. Uy, nahanap ko yung mangga.
Mommy,
Yeah?
Jenny said if we can get the candy.
Yeah, okay.
So
You just have to keep changing it every time.
we don't have.
Hi, Jack Jack! Damig si Jack. Daghan kay nag-appreciate ka, Jack. Ay, Hindi man sa paghinambog, no, pero na-proud ako. Salamat din sa inyo na nag-appreciate kay Jack. Dito kasi, mga puti. Hala? No? Andiyan mong tawa ka? Ha?
No, I meant to take the wrapper.
Open it. Lah, can you open it later in the house, please? Kaya it will be all over.
But I will put it inside here.
Okay. Ayan, oh, ilagay ko pa tong aking pinambili. I have to put this one. Ang lalaki ng cherry nila, oh. Dako ka ayo. Look. It's so big, oh. Tignan nyo. Ang lalaki ng cherry. So, 20 pound daw to lahat. Ayan, oh, mayroon akong tanglad. Nagkuha kasi ako ng madaming mushroom. Mga ganito na mushroom. Lang, ilagay ko siguro yan dito. Ang mangga ko sobrang dami kaya para man ako nangala ng mangga, uy. Ganito yung mangga nila. I hope maasim to. Ito yung mangga, oh. Ayan. Uy, kabahapin in the ilgin ninyo. Sorry? Lollipop is here. Mayat man yung igignan ko bitaw sila na doon sa bahay mag-open. I told you to open that in the house. Told you. Yummy.
Mommy, I want to save them.
Okay. Shall we go home?
Mommy,
Or later?
no, I don't want. No, I don't want to go.
Ay. Why?
It's not opening anymore.
No?
Oh, because it's sticky. Ask her where did she get that?
Because I want to...
Did she say coffee corner?
Yeah. Look. It's really nice. The crown.
The cat look.
Mga antique ata to dito ba? Fiction, mga painting. Painting. Na lang. I dropped it again. Nearly broke. Yeah? Here.
I don't see any
I'm so
crack.
kuan na. Kulba. Pwede pala itong mga ganito dito. Oh. Ika lang. Nice knock, oh. Sexy. Juicy. Labubu. Wala man. Oy, I think this one lang. That's charity shop. Where's the entrance?
I don't want to go.
Charity shop, aming pasyalan. Wala man. Ay, hindi ko alam saan yung entrance. 6 pounds.
Mommy, that.
That. This one is 3 pounds. Ayan, oh, hala, oh, sobrang kuan, mura. 9 pack. Lang, oh, look at this. 3 pound only. Magka-allergic na naman ako ng tissue. Alanak, there's seeds.
Huh?
Seeds, oh. Factor ito, ay lettuce man. Onion.
There's only one more blue.
Oh, one more blue.
Mommy, I got the one.
Is it only one? Oh. Ito, oh, maganda na ko. 12 pound. For our barbecue. We should buy this one lang, no? Barbecue.
Mommy, but mine doesn't have a tag.
20% picnic.
Mine doesn't have a tag.
Huh?
Mine does.
I think they will know. Okay, see, cause they're all the same. I think they will know that's the same price. See, like this.
That one didn't have a tag. Oh, it does actually. Is the tag inside? Yeah.
Daming gamit dito ay. Oh, ang daming mga pilian.
This is for here.
May paganito-ganito pa sila, oh.
For here. It's not.
No, that's for the house.
It's a
20% off. Bihaw lang. Sina, mag-pay na dito. Malit na kami ng hindi kailangan ng happiness nila. Hindi naman sila nag-demand ng toys. Yes, that's for garden, anak.
Broken.
Sorry. Which one you like? Just that flower is nice.
I like it.
This little Jenny, you won't even see it turning. This one, if there's air, you will see it because it's big. That's 12 pounds, Jennifer.
That's too much.
Look, there's for pets. Para man akong nasa Valencia. Oy, ang ganda dito, ay. Doggy, doggy. Hala, isa pa daw, Nakbi. We find this straw. Para sa kuan ba, aming sofa na bati. Magkano kaya yan? Hala, tag 7 pound lang, oh. Malaki kaya to? Ay, maliit man ito. Gusto ko nito, oh.
Yeah, you had it. You had the blue one.
Cream.
This is so fluffy.
Do you like the cream? There's no white. Daghan man dahil sila dito mga ganito, oh. Siya? Ayan, oh. Cream. Gusto ko nito, eh. Maganda siya. Bahay. 2 pounds. Why? Do you need that? Like this, bitaw.
It's cute.
You don't need that.
But I mean, but I want.
Unicorn, you have lots of hats in the house.
But I want.
Ay, kagastos. There's the slipper, oh.
Look, let me see.
That's good ones. It's really easy to use. That's what mommy and sister use whenever in the Philippines. Like this.
Flip flops.
Yes.
But I just want it.
Kung ano-anong pinambila eh.
Ah,
Show your flower. Agoy, ang mukha ni Jenny. Hindi na may tsura.
I see baby.
I think my camera really broke. Nope, it's not moving anymore. May babae dyan ba? Slim kay siya, uy.
Can I have my fan?
Yeah.
No, my fan.
Let's go home na ta. Yan yung pinagagawa nila sa akin. Oh. Oh, diba? Ako na yung may electric pan. Look! Ako na may electric pan ako dito. Ako na talaga yung may anak. Parang nasira na yung camera ko kay bakit? Hindi na siya tumutuyok. Wala na. Hala, it's raining again, anak. We need to go quick.
Wait, said quick.
Quick. Huh? You want to see the set? Look at your face, oy. It arrived quick. I thought it will arrive in
Can I see this?
a few days. Oh. That's my bag for the prom. It's for, hala, yan yung sa food niya. Naka-ready na ito para magkain siya sa 6 months.
Wait, see.
What's this?
Let's see.
Oh, there's 2 lagi. There's 2 of those. Receipt. We see the receipt. Blue cat. Ay, 2 pieces. Hala, to pala yung nalagay. Oh, yung laro ba? Para man to ka dyan. Yung ilagay-lagay mo lang siya ba? Sa kuan. Dalawa pala itong nabili ko. Sino may anak? Lagyan, ilagay mo, tapos mag-istorya siya na cat. And oh, my card.
What?
It's a toy. Huh? I don't know if there's numbers with this one. Ayan, so para sa prom. Wait, sa. This one is for the prom. You know the bag?
That's a big.
Ayan. Ay, kunti lang pala siya.
This.
Maisabit lang siya. Easy siya isabit.
This.
Ha? That's for Jack's food.
What's this?
This one is for the food.
Mommy, what's this?
That's a card game. Wanna try that?
Yeah.
There's this one. It's for babies.
I don't
Eh. See, when you turn it on. Wait, turn it on. I don't know how to turn it on. And there's a card. Ito, maganda to. Kasi yung mga food, pwede mo siyang i-freezer tapos ilagay dito. Ayan. Ganda siya. Sa TikTok na ako namimili. Kaya pwede din ako mag-affiliate. There you go. See?
What's that?
It will talk. How to turn this on? Oh. Wait then, maybe it's lights. Huh? Huh.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Let's clean now. Milk.
Tawan-tawa ako sa kanya.
Banana shell.
Milk.
Banana shell.
Cabbage.
Banana shell.
Okay na sana ang lahat, pero biglaan niya kaming iniwan, no? Wala siya dyan. Umalis. Biglaan lang talaga. Kanina, akala ko happy-happy kami. Kaya nag-day out kami. Day out kami. Biglaan lang siya umalis. Kanina, tinanong niya ako kung okay lang ba ako daw yung mag-drive pabalik. Gisapot man ko kay si Jack kasi gusto na magdidi. Tapos, kuan ba, umiiyak. Tapos, nagsuka kasi si Jessica kanina sa aming biyahe. Pagsuka ni Jessica, ni Jack, pagsuka niya na, parang na ano na ako, wala na ako sa mood. So, tinanong niya ako na, pwede ba ikaw mag-drive pa uwi? Hindi na ako umimix sa kanya. Tapos ito, pinasok ko na lahat ng gamit. At sabi niya, gusto niya na daw mag-relax sa bahay kasi hindi ko siya napulihan. Hindi ko siya na, tawag nito eh. Good job, Jenny. Hindi ko siya napalitan ba sa pag-drive. Siya lang talaga yung nag-drive since morning hanggang pag-uwi. Back and forth. Medyo malayo-layo kasi yung biyahe namin nun. So, sabi niya, I can't wait to be home daw. Kaya mag-inom daw siya. Mag-inom na naman siya ng beer. Sabi ko, kaya mo pa mag-inom na? Pagod ka na nga sa biyahe. Mag-inom ka pa? I don't think so. Ganun ako. Ngayon, umalis. Sabi niya, kailangan kong umalis. Kaya patulog ko na sana si Jack. Kaya we're trying our best. No? We're trying our best. Na kahit nakikita nyo sometimes nagreklamo ako sa ugali niya sa mga kuan, we're trying our best para lang sa mga bata talaga na mga bata may kawawa, mag-suffer sila at ayaw ko din na makita ng mga bata si mami at si daddy hindi happy dahil nakita ko yung drawing ni Jessica doon sa kwarto. Meron siyang drawing na mami, daddy, me, si Jenny at si Jack. Alam nyo, magre-reflect yung drawing ng bata kung ano dito sa loob ng bahay. Kasi yung aking kapatid dati na yung bunso namin na lalaki yung nag-eskwela ng nursing, palagi niyang drawing is a family, tapos merong isang lalaki na malayo, tapos merong heart na heartbroken at bata na umiiyak. Kung ano ang drawing ng bata, magre-reflect talaga kung ano dito sa bahay. Kaya ayaw ko na mangyari na maisip ni Jessica na broken ang kaniyang family. Tinatry namin yung aming best. Kahit tinanong na ako ng doktor, tinanong na ako ng kung sino-sino, kung kailangan ko ba na mag-transfer ng bahay, anytime tutulungan daw nila ako. So, yun, umalis. Kay si Bayaw, kani akong Bayaw, ambot na unsa na ni siya, nasaniban na ni siya masamang espiritu. Hindi na yan mapakali sa kanyang bahay. Uy! Saniban yun dahil masamang espiritu. Hindi na siya mapakali sa kanyang bahay. Sabi niya, kuan ka na maglabas daw. Maglabas daw siya. Ang aking kilay, no? Sobrang kapal. Batias ng kilay. Maglabas daw siya. Magpahatid daw siya kay Wayne. Magpunta daw siya ng club. Yun naman isa. Hindi naman makasino sa kanyang kapatid. Sarap sabihin na, uy, sama ka na lang doon sa kanya. Mag-club kayong dalawa. Pero hindi ko kasi yan siya hindi siya masaligan pag mag-club kay until morning mag-inom unya. Hindi na alam kung ano yung ginagawa, baka manuntok na. Kaya daw yung gawain niya dati. Kung ano-ano lang yung nagagawa niya na makaaway siya ba pag lasing na lasing na. So ayun, biglaan siyang umuwi, nag-rush. Umuwi, nagmamadal, ay biglaan siyang umuwi. Yun, biglaan siyang umalis, nag-rush. Nagyaw-yaw, kay si Bayaw gani, magpahati daw doon sa kuan. Sa club, ay ambot nilang dalawa, oy sila na yung bahala. Basta ako dito, ako sa mga bata, si Jack natulog na. Ngayon, kakaon ako ng minggoring, itong pansit. Meron bang minggoring? Ito noodles. Idiome minggoring. Ayan yung kinakain ko. So, yan ang ending. Okay kami kanina. Sobrang happy namin. Tawang-tawa kami talaga. As in, lahat ng mga best memories. Hindi na na-videohan kasi wala na. Maganda sana yun. Kay tawa talaga kami ng tawa. As in, sabi ko sa kanya, I hope hindi ako iyak mamaya. Kasi pag iba ako, pag tawa ako ng tawa. Kay pag kagabi, parang merong exchange na maiiyak ako. Ganun ako ba? So, we'll just see kung anong oras yun siya umalis o uwi. Ay, bahala sila kung ano yung trip nila ng Bayaw. Ay, yung Bayaw ko, mura na siyang na-addict sa kuan. Sige, inom. Sige na lang siya inom yun. Na ano na kasi yan siya, para naapektuhan sa pangyayari sa kanyang buhay. Kaya, ay, ambot niya, oy. Last time, na-scam di ba yan? Bahala siya, oy. Hindi ko man din kasi mapagsabihan yung aking Bayaw.
We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. 'Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me from me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid.